Hey, it's Mike, and today I like to compare two of the biggest Bitcoin mining stocks out there, Riot Blockchain and Marathon Digital Assets. Um, I own both of these stocks, and I like both of these stocks. I think both of these stocks are going to do really well as Bitcoin looks like it's going to hit new highs pretty soon. Yesterday, Riot Blockchain was up over 12%, and Marathon Digital Assets was up almost 10%. Now, the funny thing is Riot Blockchain was sort of the leader and Marathon was sort of the new upstart, but it looks like Marathon has pretty much begun to overtake Riot Blockchain. Now, I would say just right off the bat, I would own both of these companies if you believe in Bitcoin mining because both of them are big and both of them are really stable. And I think both of them are going to grow really well and outperform Bitcoin over the next couple of years. However, if you're trying to choose one of these stocks, it's a good idea to sort of do a little deeper dive into what Riot Blockchain and what Marathon Digital Holdings are both doing. So you take a look at Riot Blockchain right now. As of this recording, they have a fully deployed fleet of about a little over 15,000 miners. The company has done really well with being able to scale up. That they take the money that they're able to raise from um, you know any debt offerings in order to buy more mining machines and just sort of continue to scale up. However, Marathon has really become seriously more aggressive. Right now, they have a fully deployed fleet of over 100,000 miners. So they're scaling up much faster than Riot. Now, that could be sort of a risk if the price of Bitcoin does have a sudden drop because basically they're really leveraging themselves up to finance all these Bitcoin miners. So there's actually more risk when it comes to Marathon. So the thing is, when Bitcoin drops in price and Bitcoin tends to have really rough corrections, you can expect Marathon to probably fall further than Riot. So there's going to be just a lot more volatility. So just keep that in mind. If you're looking for a play that's going to be a little safer, than consider Riot Blockchain. However, if you're looking for potential more long-term gains, then you look at Marathon. But like I said, with Marathon, there's a lot more risk. I mean, just as an example, right now in the pre-market's down right now, and Bitcoin pulled back a little bit. You see Riot Blockchain pulled back 5.5%, but Marathon Digital is pulling back a little over 7%. So, just realize with Marathon, you're going to have to ride a little more volatility. However, like I've said, I like both Bitcoin mining stocks. And if you're going to own Bitcoin mining stocks, these are the two you want to start out with. You want to start out with Marathon, you want to start out with Riot. And then from there, you may look at Hive, you may look at DMG, and the other smaller, Bitcoin miners. But like I said, these two should be your core holdings. And also check out Canaan Creative. Now, Canaan Creative is not a Bitcoin miner, but they create Bitcoin mining machines. So you see here, it rocketed up 30% yesterday. And actually, it's a much larger company than Marathon and Riot. Marathon and Riot are near $4 billion in valuation, and Canaan Creative is near $6 billion in valuation. They are the picks and shovels play. They supply the picks and shovels essentially to do the Bitcoin mining. But like I said, both Riot and Marathon are great companies. But like I said, Marathon will probably give you a little more volatility than Riot. But like I said, going forward, it's a good idea to own both of them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot.